In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a modern app payment system. Designing a modern payment system for an app can seem like a complex task, but by leveraging existing resources and tools, we can create a sophisticated and user-friendly interface efficiently. We'll be using Figma for this process, a powerful design tool widely used in the industry. Our goal is to find a solid foundation, a template or a design kit that has already laid out the groundwork for a modern payment flow. This approach saves a tremendous amount of time and ensures that our design adheres to contemporary UI/UX best practices, ultimately leading to a more intuitive and secure experience for the end user. To begin, once you are in your Figma environment, whether on the desktop app or in your web browser, your first step will be to navigate to the Community section. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed, often in the left-hand sidebar or on your main dashboard screen when you first open Figma. Think of the Community section as a vast, collaborative library filled with resources shared by designers worldwide. It's a goldmine for templates, UI kits, plugins, and design inspiration, which makes it an invaluable starting point for any design project. By clicking on Community, you're opening the door to a wealth of pre-designed elements that we can adapt and customize to fit our specific app's branding and requirements. This is where we can avoid starting from a blank canvas, allowing us to build upon the work of experienced designers and integrate their proven solutions. Once you've successfully entered the Figma Community section, you'll notice a search bar, usually located at the top of the interface. This is where we'll specify exactly what kind of resources we're looking for. In this instance, to find relevant design templates for our project, you will type Modern App Payment System into the search bar. Be precise with your search terms to get the most accurate results and narrow down the vast selection available. Typing Modern App Payment System will bring up a selection of design files, templates, and UI kits that focus specifically on contemporary payment interfaces. What we're looking for here are designs that embody current aesthetic trends, prioritize user experience, and ideally, include common payment elements such as credit card input fields, security indicators, transaction confirmation screens, and various payment method selections. Take some time to browse through the results. Look for files with good ratings, those that are clearly comprehensive, offering a full flow rather than just isolated screens, or those that explicitly mention modern and app in their descriptions. Selecting a well-structured template will provide a robust framework, helping you understand the typical user journey through a payment process and ensuring all necessary components are considered. This foundational step is crucial for building a secure, efficient, and visually appealing payment gateway within your application.